Welcome, kids! Today we are visiting Mr. Bob's farm. Let's explore together and count all the wonderful animals he has. Hey, look! Mr. Bob has a goat. How many goats does he have? One is correct. Take a look at these ponies. How many are they? Let's count. 1, 2. 2 is correct. Wow, Mr. Bob also has pigs. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. 3 is correct. Mr. Bob even have donkeys. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is correct. Here are some cows. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is correct. Look, here are beautiful horses. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is correct. Wow! Look at these sheeps. How many are they? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 is correct. There are also mice in Mr. Bob's farm. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 is correct. Look at these hens in Mr. Bob's farm. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 is correct. Finally, Mr. Bob has ducks. How many are they? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 is correct. Great job! You counted all the animals in Mr. Bob's farm. Thanks for counting with me. Bye-bye.